Hey, good morning, guys. It is 3:50 right now. I'm gonna go meet up with my brothers, my sister-in-laws, my brother-in-law, my nephews, and today we're gonna be doing a little bit few things: squirrels, hunting, deer, and hopefully a bear. So it's gonna take us about an hour and a half, hour 40 minutes to get to where we need to go. So I'll see you guys once I get there, alright? Looks like everybody's here. We're gonna get ready to head out. See you guys when we get there. Come on, guys. Little guys. Oh, we're almost there. We are finally here. And it's perfect for a squirrel to be coming out. I'm walking down to my spot. Hopefully we'll see some squirrel this morning. Looks like people have been walking in and out of this area. So let's see when we get there. Looks like we got some holes right here where the bear's been digging. So I'm gonna go that way. See. A lot of droppings here. Looks like a deer was just here. You see them nesting right here where they slept here. But we probably just missed them. Okay, just got to my location. I'm sitting here waiting for the squirrels to come out. He's over here somewhere. I spot him, but I think he heard me walking by. Where'd he go? Dang. He's looking at me right now. Wow. This guy, I spotted him quick, but he also spotted me too. And as soon as I walk up to the tree, he disappeared, and I thought I lost him for good. But luckily, he jumped onto the other branch, and I was able to spot him as he was up in the tree. Got lucky on this one. Well, hopefully there'll be more coming in. It's about 7:30 right now. And just gotta keep looking. People are shooting everywhere across the mountain here. And I saw a deer too while I was at it. Actually, I saw a couple of deer this morning. But too bad I don't have a deer tag. Otherwise, it would have been a game on, you know? So, just wait quietly. Hopefully there'll be more coming. Okay. Breaking for lunch. Tên con cá cơ ha. Tên là kẻ lo thế có còn trái thế bắt thù vậy. Thế có cho thế gai ta la thế gai chỉ thế ôm gió câu thế gai yêu thế xả xỉ này thế lạnh thế về ở bên này steep hills from here. Well, I guess there's only that one, so we're probably gonna go try a different place, I guess. We're probably gonna go wait at the waterhole and see if there's any that's gonna come and drink later. So, go grab my stuff. I'll try that. Well, looks like it's time to go home. We were gonna stay until dark, but our truck has issues, so we don't want to stay and risk it. Our check engine light is on, and the car's starting to shake pretty bad, so it's misfiring somewhere. We'll get it home and we'll get it checked and see what's going on. We'll do it again next time. Thanks, guys. I hope you liked this short video. I know it's not much of an action today, but like, share, and subscribe. Alright, peace out.